This is the journal bearing experiment that measures the amount of friction moment due to the increased weight on the pedestal. You have your control unit that displays your temperature and your speed at which your motor is rotating. As you increase the weights onto the pedestal, the temperature will increase with whatever weight is added. You have to prime the system for at least 20 minutes for it to reach the maximum temperature. When you increase the weight, you're able to use the lever to determine how many millimeters away to get the lines lined up, and from there you can determine the friction moment. The friction moment corresponds with the amount of energy lost due to the journal bearing. For the experiment, you want to make sure there's enough oil in here so that your system will not run at too high of a temperature. Every time that you add weight to your system, you want to put your lever back at 0 in order for the lever to be at equilibrium. For each trial, when you add more, you put it back to 0, and then you're able to measure at what point it is at equilibrium. For each experimental trial, you run the experiment at 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, and 2,500 RPM. From there, you add the weights at 25 newtons, 75 newtons, 125 newtons, 275, and 525. From there, you're able to measure your temperature on your control unit and the distance A using the weight. What else should I explain?